Hi, this is the Sleepy Physicist. So, today's experiment I have a basketball and a tennis ball. I'm going to drop them together. What we could expect is that they fall and they bounce together. So let's see if it's the case. Okay, it didn't happen. So, why this happened? The explanation in physics is that nothing happens because of magic. So, if the tennis ball just went out with lots of speed, it's because somehow there was something there. That we call energy, and then energy is conserved. So the energy, the ball and where it is now. So energy is conserved. That's the point. So nothing comes out of nowhere. The ball moves. My son is recording and making doing faces. Yes. So we had a discussion because not only conservation of energy is what explains what we saw. There's also another principle called conservation of momentum, where we discussed some videos before. It's the product of the mass and the speeds of the solids. So, but I prefer it's more it's more clear to understand it as a conservation of energy. So, because if you have some previous ideas, you have this potential energy that is converted into kinetic energy, and then the kinetic energy is converted into elastic potential energy, and then converted into kinetic energy again. So in physics, the conservation of energy was a principle that was introduced to explain why things happen. Because when there is a transformation, something must be constant, because magic doesn't exist. This is the cut. One. Yes, it's shy. Okay, I think. Do you want me to do it again? Let me find the ball because it's on the side. You can follow me if you like. Yeah, it's on the other side. Okay. Here. So, one bouncing together. Nothing very special. The other bouncing, right? Say bouncing. One bouncing alone. One bouncing alone. Bouncing alone. Nothing very special. But then, this conservation of energy. This solid transfers part of this energy to the ball, so pushes it away. Okay, that's the key to understand this phenomenon and to understand the experiment. Okay? Lots of energy. Okay, so this also reminds us to finish, this also reminds us how principles are set. Remember that axiomal principle, it comes from the axiom comes from the Greek. It's a Greek word that means what seems fair, what seems logical, when we understand that as something that could happen, is that magic doesn't exist, that the something has to push the ball. That's the idea of energy. The reason that explains how the ball moves so fast. I think that's enough for today. This is the demo. I don't know the number. Yeah, but another one. Okay? Questions? Do you have any question? No questions? Okay.